Ever feel like you want to change your life, but can't even change your bed sheets? You've got big ideas, start a business, learn a skill, get in shape, but somehow you're stuck. You binge productivity videos, you get inspired, you plan to start tomorrow, but tomorrow becomes next week, then next year. The truth? You're not lazy forever, you're just overwhelmed. Ambition without action turns into anxiety. You know you were made for more, but your energy doesn't match your vision. And that gap between what you want and what you're doing, that's the trap. But you can break out. Here's how to stop being stuck and finally start moving forward. Step 1, lower the bar. When your goal feels like a mountain, start with a pebble. Want to build a business? Don't draft a 50-page plan. Just write one idea, today. Want to get fit? Don't start with an hour at the gym. Start with one stretch, one walk, one rep. Big goals aren't the problem. Trying to conquer them all at once is. Shrink the goal until it feels easy, then step over it, daily. Step 2, make progress automatic. Willpower? It runs out. Systems? They don't. Instead of relying on motivation, build routines. Want to read more? Leave your book on your pillow. Want to eat better? Prep snacks in advance. Make the right choice the easy choice. Design your environment to support your goal. You don't need more discipline, you need better defaults. Step 3, the 2-minute rule. Here's the laziest productivity trick that works. Do it for just 2 minutes, not 2 hours, not 20, just 2. Write for 2 minutes, clean one corner, stretch for a moment. Because once you start, your brain stops resisting. Momentum takes over. Starting is the hard part. Finishing often comes naturally. Bonus, reward the start. After 2 minutes, celebrate. Yes, really. Listen to your favorite song. Grab a treat, smile. Reward the effort, not just the result. Your brain needs to associate starting with feeling good. Final truth. Ambition means nothing without consistency. But consistency doesn't need perfection. It just needs action. Small, messy steps beat big, perfect plans that never start. So if you're ambitious but lazy, remember this. Shrink the task, build the system. Start with 2 minutes. That's how you win. Not by grinding harder, but by beginning smarter.